DJI FPV time. Big day.
Oh my god!
Down to fall over. There we are. Oh, there it is.
Right there.
Perfect.
It's already hitting a limit.
Boom, battery.
Insurance.
Definitely. Acquired. Mission success. 3, 2, 1. Boom! What is up, guys? We got the new DJI FPV drone. This is a super exciting day. We decided to get it kind of on a whim. We were gonna wait a little longer to finish up the rest of the content we need to get with our Mavic 2 Pro, but yeah, we decided this was the right time, so here we are, and we're gonna do a quick little unboxing. It's gonna be super quick, just to show you guys what's in it. This is really exciting, actually. I'm super stoked for this thing. This is wild. Here are our goggles. Somebody wearing these bad boys. Take off my hat, look at this. I'm gonna be looking like an absolute stud in these. This is what is gonna be going on. We will see anything. Under there, we have our controller. Take that out, set that right there, and then we have propellers, boom, right here, and then this, I'm sure, is going to be, yeah, we got a charger in here, and then we have more charging cords right here. I'm just gonna take them all out just so they are organized right here. Obviously with this drone, DJI Refresh Care, you're going to want, with any drone, you're gonna want insurance, but especially with an FPV drone, you wanna make sure you have insurance on this thing. So yeah, that's everything in the box here, and I'm just gonna kind of run through. I'm gonna set the box aside now. As you can see, there's not much to it, super simple. Here's all of our goodies. So I need to pair this.
Can you see it?
Where is it? It's not working yet. Device not connected. What do you mean? Oh, first flight. Let's go. There you go. Oh.
Holy.
There we go.
Yeah, just hover right there for a little bit. Wow. So be careful, I wouldn't, tell me if you agree or not, I wouldn't switch to manual at all this flight. Do you agree?
Yeah, it's fine.
How awesome is that?
Oh, home is right there. That is. Watch this right here. I'm gonna turn. I'm gonna rip. I'm gonna go.
Feel mad cold nights feel heavy. Same place going in the heart of the city. Nitty
Isn't it?
eyes feel shifty. The shit we're in, yo, it's all mad risky.
Like that TV show sound. Alright.
All right, Laith, you ready for this? All right, it's Laith's first time seeing the FPV drone. Laith, pitch your company real quick.
We need a virtual assistant, admin, marketing, sales, social media management.
Ready? It's about to turn on.
Yeah.
Let me know when you see it. You're gonna freak out.
That's a shit.
Do it. You see
Oh. I feel like I'm in the fucking IMAX theater.
it? Alright, ready, Lane?
Jesus.
Oh,
Shit. Oh no. Oh my god. If you wait, it has a sport mode? What is this? Like a Mercedes?
oh wait, now it's in. Now it's in sport.
Dude, this is really okay. Okay. Now you're twisting. Okay.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Down to fall over.
we think of it.
I've never experienced anything like that, like flying like that. And in sport mode, that was the trippiest thing ever.
Wait till we go manual.